Alright, if you're like me, you're gonna love to use free stuff when you're creating a YouTube channel, especially if you're creating a YouTube video and you're on a low budget. This is gonna help you. This software I had used for years, Debut Video Capture Software, but when I go into it, it's asking me to register. I can either buy it, enter registration code, or I can click to use a demo, but my features will be restricted. I just click that just so it lets me into the software. I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to find a workaround. I actually found this on my own. I hope you like this. You just come over to your search bar in Windows, type in REGEDIT, and then you want to go over to Computer, HKey, Current User, drop down the software, NCH Software, Debut, and then go over to Registration. And what I want you to do is go over to the registration folder, make sure it's highlighted, click, delete, hit yes. You're going to close it, and then you're going to go back in the software and watch this. It lets you in without giving you any kind of warning about registering the software. You can keep doing this as many times as you need to if you don't want to pay for the software. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a quick, short, and sweet tutorial just to help you out if you're on a small budget and you're looking to create videos but you just don't have the money to do screen captures while you're creating videos. This is your solution. Please hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Please always hit that subscribe button.